Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save the seller of a particular product on the eBay website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, select product, and if you want to save its seller, just go to the right side of the screen and here you can find the seller information box, and here you can find the save seller option marked with the heart icon, so tap on it and then the seller has been saved. As you can see, if you tap on this My eBay button and scroll down and tap on saved sellers, you will be able to find all of the sellers that you have saved, and you will be able to find them at that section after adding your contact information. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.